Welcome to Learner's Guide. Speech on World Environment Day. Our environment is our soul. To keep it clean should be our goal. Do not destroy the nature. Let's save it for the future. Happy World Environment Day. Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I stand before you to talk about an important occasion, World Environment Day, celebrated every year on June 5th. This special day reminds us of the importance of nature in our lives and the urgent need to protect our environment. World Environment Day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1972 to celebrate annually on 5th of June. It was first celebrated in 1973, aiming to inspire worldwide people to take positive actions regarding prevention of environment on planet Earth. World Environment Day is a day especially celebrated to know and solve all the environmental issues. It is also known as the Environment Day, Eco Day, or WED. The environment is the very foundation of our existence. The environment includes everything that surrounds us: air, water, land, trees, animals, and all forms of life. It provides us with the essentials we need to survive: clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, food to eat, and a safe place to live. However, in recent years, our environment has suffered a lot due to human activities. Deforestation, pollution, excessive use of plastic, and climate change have created serious problems. Rivers are getting polluted, forests are disappearing, and the air is becoming unbreathable in many cities. That's why World Environment Day is so important. It spreads awareness and encourages people to take positive action. The annual celebration of it depends on the particular theme of the year declared by the UN, which focuses on implementing some new and effective plans to save the environment. The theme for World Environment Day 2026 is Inspired by Nature, for Climate, for Our Future, accompanied by the official campaign message #Now for Climate. This theme highlights the urgent need for climate action, ecosystem restoration, clean energy, sustainable living, and stronger global cooperation for a safer planet. This day reminds us that each of us has a role to play in restoring the earth. We all can contribute in simple ways, like planting trees, saving water, using eco friendly bags, avoiding single use plastics, and keeping our surroundings clean. Even small actions, when taken together, can make a big difference. Let us all take a pledge today to protect our planet, to care for nature, and to act responsibly. Remember, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, but we borrow it from our children. Thank you, and let us work together for a greener, cleaner, and healthier earth. Happy World Environment Day!